We are here at Midland Tower, here in Midland, Texas. Okay, then this actually speaks a copy more. 9. That's the floor indicator on the other side. Look at that. Otis. Modded by ThyssenKrupp. It's a very weird elevator system here. It's a nice elevator. But they're kind of weird that they put a floor indicator on this side. I'm gonna send this upstairs and get a nicer one on the right. Let's see if we can get this car right here. I like that they kept the original Otis floor indicator. That doesn't work. But this is the much nicer of the two elevators here. Look at that, Otis. That's literally your floor indicator inside. It's a nice cab. Dude. Otis. Buttons there. IBS Classic. And here in one. Oh yeah, look at this. This is downtown Midland. Back in the heyday. Right here is the old, not one, not two, but 3 US mailbox. Just 3 of them. You got out of town mail, you got local mail, which is in the middle. And then you got another out-of-town mail on the right. So anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.